Alaska is one of the most breathtaking cruise destinations on Earth, but it's nothing like a Caribbean cruise. If you don't prepare for a few key differences, you might miss some of the best parts of the trip. Here are 10 things every first-timer needs to know before booking an Alaska cruise. Number 1, not all Alaska cruise itineraries are the same. The two main routes are the Inside Passage and the Gulf of Alaska. The Inside Passage is a round trip, usually out of Seattle or Vancouver, and it hugs the coastline through Juneau, Ketchikan, and Skagway. The Gulf route is one way, typically between Vancouver and Whittier, and it adds Hubbard Glacier and the open ocean. The Gulf route gives you more variety, but the Inside Passage is easier to plan and usually more affordable. Number 2, timing matters more than you think. The Alaska cruise season runs May through September. Early season gives you snow-capped mountains, fewer crowds, and lower prices, but colder temps and more rain. July and August are peak seasons with the warmest weather, longest daylight, and the best wildlife viewing. September brings fall colors and the possibility of northern lights, but it also means shorter days. Number 3, this is the one cruise where a balcony cabin is absolutely worth it. You could be sailing past glaciers, humpback whales, or bald eagles at any time, even at 6 in the morning. An interior cabin means you'll miss all of it unless you're standing on the pool deck. Number 4, pack in layers, not for just one type of weather. You can experience sun, rain, wind, and near freezing temps all in the same day. Bring a waterproof jacket, a warm fleece, moisture-wicking base layers, and comfortable waterproof shoes. Leave the flip-flops at home. Number 5, the best excursions sell out months in advance. Weather and small aircraft capacity limit glacier helicopter tours, bear viewing flights, and whale watching trips. Don't wait to book until you're on board. Research your port stops and lock in your top picks as early as possible. Number 6, bring binoculars and a real camera. Your phone is fine for selfies, but when a humpback whale breaches 300 yards away or a bear appears on the shoreline, you'll want optical zoom and binoculars. A basic pair of 8x42 binoculars will change your entire experience. Number 7, don't count on reliable internet. Wi-Fi on Alaska cruises is slow and expensive. You'll be sailing through remote areas with little to no cell signal for days at a time. Download maps, entertainment, and anything you need before you board. Think of it as a digital detox. Number 8, eat the local seafood when you're in port. Alaska king crab, halibut fish and chips, and smoked salmon are at their freshest here. Skip the chain restaurants in port towns and find the local spots. Tracy's King Crab Shack in Juneau is legendary for a reason. Number 9, consider extending your trip with a cruise tour. Several cruise lines offer land packages that add Denali National Park, Fairbanks, or Anchorage before or after your sailing. This is the best way to see interior Alaska without planning a separate trip. If you're already flying that far, make the most of it. Number 10, start planning early and stay organized. Between excursions, packing, port research, dining reservations, and budgeting, there's a lot to track. I built a free Alaska packing checklist you can grab from the link in the description. And if you want the full planning toolkit with budget trackers, port guides, excursion planners, and itinerary comparisons all in one spreadsheet, refer to the Alaska Cruise Planner, also linked below. If this guide helped you, hit subscribe. I'm posting more Alaska travel guides, tips, and destination breakdowns every week. Drop a comment and tell me which Alaska port you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.